Turning to the back now so that we clean up this far edge. I've got the carving held up in a vise nice and firmly. I'm going to use this knife. It's got a short blade and a nice long handle. That's my preferred sort of knife. This is called a Slöjd knife. I'll put details in the download. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over the carving, holding it like this pretty much, and just remove some of that wood there, or I'm going to hold it like this and just back that off slightly, just to clean that edge up all the way around. Check it from the front. Now the back's all been finished, the carving's complete, and we're ready to move on to the lettering.